So here is my rice water. I put about a half a cup of jasmine rice and I filled the jar up to about 12 ounces of water. I'm gonna mix this water. I let it sit for about 72 hours, about 3 days. I'm gonna mix it with my current favorite deep conditioner, the Eden Natural Deep Conditioner and Righteous Roots hair oil. And to combat that smell that rice water gets, I have some couple of drops of peppermint oil that I got off of Amazon. I put like maybe 3 drops in there, let it sit for 3 days. So I'm gonna put all of this in this bowl, mix it, and put it in my hair. About 2 scoops of my deep conditioner. I'm not gonna mix all this water, just a little bit of it. I want the consistency to be on the thicker side so it's not running. I'm gonna put a couple of drops of my Righteous Roots hair oil. I already have this oil in my hair, so I don't really feel the need to put a ton more in here. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna mix it. And there goes the consistency. See, it's thick, so it won't be all runny. So I'm gonna apply this to my hair. Focus on my scalp, but I can get the strands too on the ends. Okay, so my hair is already combed out. I used the Tangle Teaser. So it's already combed out because I've been rocking some twists with my wig. So since it's already sectioned in 2, I'm gonna go ahead and apply and focus on the scalp. So my hair is fine. I got length. It's low porosity, and it's about a 3C, 4A. Some sections of my head. So right now, I'm applying it to the perimeter, kind of like you would apply a relaxer. I've been having some hair thinning from postpartum hair shedding for probably about 2 months, going on 3 months now. My edges have been thinning, but I've been able to slow down the rate of the hair shedding and the thinning from wearing protective hairstyles, like wearing my wigs. Doing the rice deep conditioning treatment has been very helpful as well. I'm a big fan of wash and goes, but I have not been doing wash and goes because I don't want to be manipulating my hair too much. So I'm focusing on the scalp. And I'm going to focus on the ends of my hair too. So you see I'm mostly focused on the scalp. I'm going to twist it up, get it out of the way. And let's repeat on the other side. Perimeter of the parting. Edges. So I've gotten my roots pretty good. So now I'll put some on the full part of my hair. And kind of work it through the length of my hair. Working it through. I'm gonna twist it up in a ball, just like the other side. I'm gonna take the other side down and put the rest of the conditioner on that side, because I wanted to make sure I had enough for the other side. All right, and ball it up. So, got it on. I'm gonna use a grocery store bag to lock in the heat and the moisture. And I'm gonna sit under the dryer. All right, so I just rinsed my hair out. I sat under the dryer for about 20-30 minutes. And then I had it in my hair for about 4 hours total though, because after I got from under the dryer, then I put my satin line cap on over the bag and just let it chill, but not intentionally. I was just waiting for my husband to get home so that I could rinse it out. So now I'm just gonna go back to wearing my 2 braids that I wear underneath my wigs for my protective styling. So the leave-in that I like to use is the Blueberry Bliss. So I'm gonna put some of that in. And my hair feels pretty hydrated. When I tried to use the rice water without conditioner, my hair did not like that. I have low porosity hair. Low porosity hair does not like just straight up rice water by itself. So I got the Blueberry Bliss in there. Gonna hit it with some of the low porosity protein free leave-in detangler. And Tangle Teaser. I'm gonna seal in the leave-ins with my favorite oil, the Righteous Roots Hair RX. Focus on my ends and my edges. So I'm not necessarily doing the rice water conditioning for hair growth. I'm more so, or length I should say, I'm more so doing it to try to keep the edges that I got and to regrow the edges that I don't have. So, hit it with 2 braids. So ideally, I would do this once a week. I was waiting for, I didn't do this last week. I was waiting for my peppermint oil to come in because rice water, after it sits for a day or two, it smells like straight ASS. It'll burn your eyebrows off, the smell alone. But those drops of peppermint oil, they helped alleviate that problem. So I wasn't afraid of it this time. So I'll do a follow-up in another like week or two, just to check out my edges so y'all know if it's working. All right, and then to see how I style my hair while I'm trying to protect it and let the edges grow back, check out my protective hairstyle with the wig and wig grip. Thank you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.